Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is milk pudding. Milk pudding is a creamy, sweet dessert made by milk, sugar. Milk pudding is a popular dessert worldwide and can be enjoyed plain or with toppings. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel, add 2 cups of full cream milk. Boil the milk on medium heat. Once the milk is boiled, add half cup of sugar. Mix well. Now add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Add corn flour gradually and mix well. Make sure there should not be any lumps in it. Or else you can mix corn flour with little amount of milk and add so that you can avoid lumps. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Stir occasionally or else it will burn. Now apply ghee and grease the bowls. Now the milk is thickening, you can see in the video. Now cook on low flame. Stir occasionally or else it will stick to the vessel. Switch off the flame at this consistency. Once cooled, the consistency will become thick. Now pour into the greased bowls. Refrigerate for 3 hours. After 3 hours, add dry coconut powder, almonds, raisins. In this recipe, I used vanilla essence. You can flavor this milk pudding with vanilla, chocolate or fruit. You can enjoy this milk pudding plain or with toppings like fruit, nuts or whipped cream. Here I used only raisins and almonds. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More sweet recipes and dessert recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.